Hey guys, I'm Codemeister and it's time to code. And welcome to HTML tutorial number 2, where we will be putting lists and images into our web page. But wait, if you guys are new to HTML and you guys have not seen my tutorial number 1, I advise that you go there right now so you can understand the basics tags of HTML. Let's get to it. Okay, so here we have a web page from last time, and we have a heading 1, a heading 2, a heading 3, and a paragraph tab. Great, right? Exactly. But I want to create a list of who really is Codemeister. So first what I want to do is delete this line right here, and we're going to create a list tag. Actually, an ordered list, because there are two different types of lists. Ordered lists and unordered lists. Okay? Now these two different lists are very different. Okay? So we'll put li, which would be the content inside a list, would be just put hi. Okay, just for a demonstration. And it will have number 1 hi. But for an unordered list, li, and if we put hi, it will just have a dot hi. So now we see the difference between an unordered list and an ordered list. An ordered list will have a 1, but an unordered list will just have a dot. That's great. Now we're going to go through on how to put an image in your website, and it's pretty simple actually. All you have to do is create an image tag, and what we want to do is give it a source. So we'll type src, and we'll give it a source. Actually, there's my Codemeister logo over here that we'll give, and then we're gonna give it an alt. So for people who can't see, there's a special way for them to see web pages, and if you put an image without an alt, they won't be able to understand what the image is. They'll just say image. So I'm gonna give those people a chance to experience our websites, and we'll just give it a Codemeister image, and that's it. Great, we have Codemeister image right there. That'll be it for this tutorial, and I see you guys in the next one.